Yeah. So we're gonna try a more smoother Legend of Zelda, A Link to the Past. Now this is the third game. So the one you just played was technically the first game. This one's the third. Oh, just go to Giggz. Just use mine.
Ooh, does that mean I have stuff?
It means you have stuff, buddy.
Help me, okay. Help me, please help me. What do I do next?
Push a button.
Oh, here we go. My name is Zelda, whatever. Am I Link's?
You are Link on this one.
Yeah, my name is Zelda.
Looking for Zelda.
Yep, because she's mentioning. There's a chest on what I see. Excited for that one.
Alright. So this dude is going to give you his sword and shield. But you got to go find him.
Whatever.
You have to go underneath it, dude. Go back in there.
I didn't know that. What? I have to go underneath it?
Yeah, keep trying. You got it, dude. And then push the A button. Push another button. He's struggling to open up the chest.
Oh my god. No way.
Did you figure it out?
It's B.
Okay, you got a lamp, dude.
It's nothing.
So how was that? All right, let's see if you can find your way out of here, dude, without a sword or a shield. So how does this game move as far as the player movement?
Better.
A lot better, huh? You could also pick up those weeds. You have no magic. You see next to the lantern? It's not full.
So I can't pick these up.
Oh no, you just can't use your lantern. Whatever button you just used, that's for whatever's in that box.
I am the dungeon of the castle.
So there's a hidden path from the outside to get to the dungeon of the castle. Find that path.
Hello? Got it.
Follow the path, bro.
Yeah.
You're going back to your house.
No, I'm going under it. These dudes give me their stuff.
They're not. They can't let you through.
Do they hurt me?
No, they're not gonna hurt you, but that's the wrong way. That's the wrong way too. Now you're just going in circles.
Oh my gosh.
I'm trying to help you. Hey, I figured, like, when I was 10, 11, when I was your age, I figured this out within, like, 3 minutes.
There we go. There we go. Now we're talking something.
Okay, so you just need to find a way in there.
There's footsteps over here.
What do you think?
Something wrong. I can't. Tree.
What looks odd right here, dude? Oh, you could pick those up?
Oh, you can pick those up?
I told you you could pick up those weeds.
I
Like,
thought you meant like the other ones.
oh, and look who it is.
Oh, Giggz, I didn't want you to get involved, so I told you to leave the house. What's the hold the B button? Whatever. Hold the B button.
Now, okay, yeah, now hold it.
Hold it.
Yeah. No, hold the button.
Damn.
The stab button. Your sword button. Okay, now hold it. Now let go. That's your special move on this one. Like the last Zelda game, you were able to shoot it, you know, like we were calling it sniping. Oh, those guys will kill you. So there you go, dude. Now how's this one when striking the knights and killing the enemies?
That's good.
You guess good? This one's a lot smoother. That, you don't need to worry about that, dude. You use that for I'll show you here in a second. Now lift up those vases right there and throw them. Okay, that's magic. So now you have a little bit of magic. You see that next to your lantern up there?
Yeah.
Okay, now you could use that lantern. Now put a flame in there.
A flame
In that candle. Okay, you have a lantern. That's your second. There you go. So it just brightens things up when the rooms are dark. Make sense?
I guess.
You guess.
I don't know. Oh, I can go up there. Nice. Then there's a door, right? But then, where am I at now?
You're inside the castle. Go in the front doors.
In the front doors?
Yeah. Find the front doors.
I can't burn those? It's
No.
not cool at all.
I would save your magic.
Hi, will this dude kill me? Oh, he will.
He doesn't see you, so you could just sneak, or you could just stab him in the back. Easier than you think, right? Uh-oh.
Ew! Ew! Ew!
Go in the door. Go in the door.
Ew! Ew!
He will kill you.
Ew!
The door. You're going the opposite way of the door. Go up. Go in the door.
Ew! Ew! Let me in!
He didn't even take a heart from you. Look at that. You silly rabbit. Oh. I don't think you can get hurt on this game. I just realized that we have the Game Genie on. Lucky for you.
Genie? What's that?
The Game Genie?
Yeah.
Oh, it's where you can cheat and you don't get hurt.
Can I go up here?
Yeah. Actually, I gotta get Zelda, so go back down.
You said go up there.
I know. We'll go up there after we get Zelda.
Okay, let's go get Zelda.
So go through the side doors. There you go, and then go up.
Will this dude kill me?
No, there's nobody down there with you. You can't die on this game. See?
Excuse me.
Oh, you're just gonna speed run through it, huh? In fact, I think you have. Oh no, you don't have infinity magic. So your magic will run out. So use your lantern only when you need to. Oh, what's down there? You're gonna go look?
Yeah, obviously. Oh, that's a pretty guy. Oh, key. That's nice. Do.
What is that?
Press X. Oh. Oops. Is it hold X? Should I hold X?
I think it means Y. That's your map.
So I need to go to.
You don't have a compass yet, so you don't know where to go. But you're going the right way, though. Now, if you go down there with him, guess what happens?
I did.
And you did it, didn't you? Oh, and you lost a heart. That's the only way you can lose hearts on this game, is if you fall off.
But you only lose one heart?
Yeah. Throw it. Oh, you got him. Good, dude. Something tells me you're gonna end up dying.
Dad, what'd you say about me losing health?
You haven't beaten it yet, bro.
No, my face.
You don't need that, dude. You got a sword.
I don't care. My sword's useless. I feel like I'm going the wrong way.
I believe that compass is to the right.
Right.
Yeah. Oh my god, you have 8 keys, 70 arrows. Yeah. The Game Genie codes are definitely being used. You would have been dead by now, just so you know.
Oh, I know.
Oh, a boomerang. Switch that out to the boomerang. Hit start. Now go to your boomerang instead of your lamp. There you go. Now you use that with your other button. So you have a sword and a boomerang. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Check out your boomerang.
So how to use it? B?
Yeah. X, actually.
Except that was magic.
Matt, you put your lamp away, so you don't need it now. You don't use magic now. The boomerang will not use up your magic. Try it real quick. See? It kind of freezes your enemies if you hit them with it.
Oh, it doesn't do any damage?
It does do damage. Like hit him in the back with it.
I can't do that.
See? Now he can't move.
Oh, so easy.
Yeah, it just freezes him for like a short period. Now I would pick up these vases and throw it at this guy. Uh-oh. What happened, Jay? Did you just beat it?
I did?
That's Zelda right there, dude.
Well, I don't care about her.
No?
I care about her vases. Budge open! What? I almost saw it.
And you beat it, dude. How cool is that?
Yes, I say yes. Oh well.
Just kidding, dude. It's just the beginning of the game.
Oh. Ah, bad. It's okay. I'm in God mode, so I have unlimited.